Welcome back to Adventure 4x4 Garage, the 2025 Toyota Restoration. This is the latest model in Toyota's lineup, blending classic aesthetics with modern technology, and we're going to take a closer look at what makes this sedan stand out, from the exterior design to performance, interior, and pricing. We'll cover everything you need to know before considering this vehicle. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has done a fantastic job refining the classic design language while integrating futuristic elements. The front grille has been reworked to give a bolder, more aggressive stance, with sleek LED headlights wrapping around the sides for a sharp, modern look. The aerodynamic lines across the hood and body make the Restoration 2025 not just visually appealing but also more efficient on the road. The alloy wheels are available in multiple finishes, adding a premium touch to the overall aesthetics. The taillights now feature a continuous LED strip, providing a high-tech feel, and the dual-tone paint options allow for better personalization. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Toyota Restoration 2025 comes with multiple engine options, including a refined 2.5 liters hybrid powertrain that delivers an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency. With approximately 220 horsepower, this sedan provides smooth acceleration and effortless cruising on highways. Toyota has also improved the CVT transmission for a more responsive and engaging drive. The suspension system has been fine-tuned to absorb bumps more effectively, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Additionally, the handling has been enhanced with a more dynamic steering response, making city driving and long-distance travel much more enjoyable. For those looking for an eco-friendly alternative, Toyota also offers a plug-in hybrid variant that boasts an extended electric-only driving range. Moving to the interior, the Toyota Restoration 2025 raises the bar in terms of comfort and technology. The cabin features high-quality soft-touch materials, leather upholstery, and a driver-centric design. The infotainment system is now equipped with a larger 12-inch touchscreen, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster offers real-time driving data, while the head-up display ensures you keep your eyes on the road. The seating is plush, with ample legroom for both front and rear passengers. Toyota has also enhanced the noise insulation, providing a quiet cabin experience. Rear passengers get their own set of air vents and optional heated seats, making long drives more comfortable. The trunk space is generous, easily accommodating luggage for weekend getaways or daily commuting needs. Safety has always been a priority for Toyota, and the Restoration 2025 is no exception. It comes loaded with the latest Toyota Safety Sense package, featuring adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, and an improved automatic emergency braking system. The 360-degree camera system makes parking in tight spaces a breeze, and the new driver attention monitor adds an extra layer of security for long trips. Finally, let's talk pricing. The base model of the Toyota Restoration 2025 starts at around $28,000, offering a solid value for its features. The hybrid variant comes in at approximately $32,000, while the fully loaded model with all premium options can reach up to $38,000. Compared to its competitors, Toyota offers a great balance of performance, reliability, and technology at a competitive price point. So, is the Toyota Restoration 2025 worth it? If you're looking for a sedan that combines style, efficiency, and modern features without breaking the bank, this could be the perfect choice for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Would you consider buying this car? Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Here's your YouTube script, ready for your review. Let me know if you want any modifications or additions.